风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hi everyone, it's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin, and today we're going to introduce you the music of Zhou Yin or Wang乔尹, and this song called Little Star, 小星星. Now it's about a young love, or more specifically a crush, and how a crush resembles a star in the sky because you keep staring at it and want to get closer to it. Now Zhou Yin uses very cute lyrics here with a poppy beat, so please enjoy this song again called Little Star, 小星星.
Hey, 浪一之间有一公演演双眼你改正经动眼一海眼一海圈有个飞梦穿过高调心流浪你百十小公里你那个小星星看着你那就欢喜挂地天的一两发光明
小星星，这是一首甜美又轻快曲风的歌曲哦，来自于王乔尹的作品。然后呢，它是在描述青少年对于爱情的懵懂哦，就像小星星一样，那个暧昧的关系啊，会一直不断的吸引你的目光。然后虽然周围的人一直不断的叫你要小心哦，但是你还是很想要靠近对方，走入他的心里面。真的是非常可爱又轻快的歌。Again, it's by Wang乔尹 Zhou Yin. Hope you enjoyed that Hakka song here on ICRT. My name is Joseph Lin, and we will see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.